Hello friends, my name is Vishal and in our today's video we will see how to use COUNTIF function. So first we'll see what it does. This function counts the number of items which match criteria set by the user. So let's see an example and understand it in a better manner. So I have a table which contains the list of items, date and count. Now if I want to count in detail how many items have been mentioned in this table. So here is an example. We have the first criteria, that is how many brake shoes have been bought. So in this sheet I need to count how many brake shoes are available in this list and how many times. The formula is very simple, equal to count if. I need to select the range, comma, the criteria. So you need to mention the criteria in this form. Mention the criteria, enter. So if you see, the count is 2. So now we'll check. It's 1, 2, correct. Now the second question is how many tires have been bought. So in this list we need to find out how many times tire is mentioned. So the formula is again simple, equal to count if. Need to select the range, comma, followed by the criteria, enter. So we'll check whether it is correct or 1, 2, 3. So the word tires is mentioned 3 times. Now I want to see how many items cost is 100 or above than 100. So I have a list of items. Now in this I need to identify how many items were more than 100 or 100. So the formula is very simple. It is equal to count if. Again I need to select the range. Now here you will have a little different approach over the formula. It's comma, apostrophe, greater than sign, greater than or equal to 100, again bracket. So if you see, the count is 5. That means 5 items are there which are costing 100 or more than 100. So we'll verify this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for today's video this is all about. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.